gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one.
Hi guys, today I'll be making a crochet wig from this Xpression hair. First, I'll go ahead and cut the hair in 3. Then I'll unravel the ends of the hair. This is the finished look. I'll sew the lace to the wig cap, and this is to make my closure.
But it turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience. But you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my seconds for a thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check, I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed.
Now we're on to removing the cap under the lace, and you want to make sure you take your time while doing this because you don't want to mess this process up.
You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out.
I'll begin crocheting from the nape, and this will be the regular crochet method.
Boy, you better stop and chill before.
You can space the hair as you see fit, guys. It all depends on the density you want the hair to be, and this also goes for the amount of hair you choose to use throughout the hair.
Being with you, I can give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side till the end of time.
Being with you, it's like my heart skips a beat. And when you in front of me, I can't even speak, no. It's like I'm tripping on my words with your sweet touch. Catch me when I fall, I know you'll never switch up. And I can't lie, girl, you so fine. I'm hoping I can make you mine every night. You the type of girl I wanna spend all my life. You the type I like.
Closer I get to the closure is the lesser hair I'll be using. Now I'm using a smaller crochet needle.
So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? Oh, I just wanna love you, treat you so right. Wanna show you how everyone do it right. We can take a flight, leave out tonight. Baby, just me and you living our best life.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. Go and pick you up, we can shoot a movie scene.
I am using my pencil to part the lace because I'm going for a center part so I know where to stop crocheting. To do the closure, I'm using a smaller needle and I'm taking 2 to 6 strands of hair to do the entire closure.
Boy, you made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud.
For this process, I push the latch hook through the lace, pull the hair from my fingers, close it, pull it under, and use the latch hook to pull the hair through.
So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you, boy. What we gonna do?
This is the finished look of one side, and I'm on to the other side. And as you can see, guys, I am not taking the hair from my fingers because I realized I was using more hair than I needed to use with that method, so I decided to do it this way. I'll go back to that way when I'm comfortable doing it that way, but for now I'm more comfortable doing it this way.
I'm ready for this, yeah. Put it in the papers. Our love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating. We're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I can see the people, I see them crowding in, yeah. For many different reasons, we're winning every season. We're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't lose. No, my heart is straight forever. We play this game together. I'm winning, girl, with you.
This is how my closure is looking. Now we're on to plaiting the hair, and I am plaiting the hair as tightly as I can, but you can also plait the hair to your desire.
Yeah, I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive. In love we play to win. Everybody's out there, everyone we know. Strangers rooting for us, family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want, the stakes are high. This is our World Series game. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive. 'Cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We hit the ball and the crowd goes wild for me and wild for you. Win, baby, we'll win. I love to win. Playing this game to win. And we're gonna win. Oh, let me
me tell you something. I wake up every morning and I'm only thinking of you. I can hear a lot of people saying we ain't meant to be together. Funny how they following the things that we be doing, all the places we be going, and the things that we keep posting. Yes, I'm ready for the challenge that the haters think they're throwing. So get ready for the win, cause baby, we can keep this going. Baby, we can keep this rolling. Baby, can't you see I'm showing you the better and the finer things that someone never get a dream. It's making people crazy, so they rooting for the other team. I know I'm gonna win this game. My wedding's gonna be
Add conditioner to hot water before you immerse the hair in the hot water, and you can let the hair sit for about 5 minutes and then let drip dry. After the hair is completely dried, we're going to unravel our plaits.
That's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I bet.
This is how the hair is looking after we finish removing or take down our plaits. Now we're going to separate the plaits so we can get that volume. Use the hot comb to flatten this section of the hair.
Playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news.
I am going in with the mousse to get rid of all those frizz from separating the hair. I am adding some rose aroma therapy oil to the hair, guys, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then you go ahead and trim the hair. This is the part you all been waiting on, the climax. What do you all think? Did it live up to its expectation? Did I do a good job in creating this hairstyle? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. And this is how the hair looks when I put it on. I cut the lace and had some foundation to the parting space, and for $3.99 I got myself a $300 wig. You can tell me this is not $300, guys. I do appreciate you guys for watching. So until next time, bye.
But it turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before